What you doing, honey?
Hey, nice of you to join me. We're picking grapes. So, this is our first real substantial harvest of grapes. We've got Concords and seedless Concords down there, and some seedless whites here. I don't know, I'm trying to make it so you can see.
Wow.
That's incredible. We are going to be making some jam. We've been busy and I keep forgetting to come down, and somebody on their YouTube video said, oh, I got a bunch of grapes. I'm like, oh, I forgot all about the grapes. We were so worried about the pumpkins and the squash, I'd forgotten all about the grapes. We planted these, let me think, we moved down here in 2011. And we bought these the first year, but this is not where they were originally planted. We actually planted them, oh gosh, quite a ways not here, like further down in the field. And I think they were moved 3 times before we finally got them where we needed them to be. And we read I actually think it was a Bible study. It was talking about that when you grow grapes, the first like 7 years, you cut the grapes back. You don't let them grow very much. You keep them really, really trim because you want them to get those really, really, really deep roots. And so this has been a labor of love. This is 2020, so it's been a long time, 7-8 years, that we've been trimming them, and I can't believe how many are in here. So this is the first. I can't believe there's this many in here. I just keep, every leaf I pick up, there's more. What do you think we should do with these?
Well,
no, there's a lot of things you can do with grapes, but I want to hear from our subscribers. What do you think we should do with these? We've not ever make wine. Have we ever made wine? We've made
Definitely need to make wine.
A couple different kinds of wine, but I don't know if we've made apple cider, hard cider, which was fun. But I don't think did we ever make wine? Did we?
We've never made fruit wine.
We've never made fruit wine. That could be fun. We could make.
Other than hard cider, apples are fruit, right?
Oh, look at this! Hold on.
Aren't these table grapes on this end?
Let me tell you. Hold on. They're very ripe. That one's kind of icky. Seedless. Yep. Nope. Nope, they have seeds, but they're sweet. They're not sour like the traditional Concords. Everywhere I look, there's just another batch. I think I'm out of the camera view now, but I'll finish these few, and then I'm going to move down to the other end. I really didn't think there was going to be this many. It was very exciting. So, we've been picking for probably a half an hour. We moved from the whites, and now we've got some beautiful, where's my bucket here? Grape. And every leaf we overturn, we're finding more.
These are native Concord that grow on the fence lines in Connecticut. These are not bought at the store. They just happen. And they are not seedless, but they are your Concord grape jelly.
We have 3 kinds. We have the traditional Concords, which I would say from what we've been picking aren't nearly as productive as the white. But the white ones we bought, they're seeded and seedless, and they just have taken over. The white ones are certainly, well, the yellow jackets are happy. They're eating all the mushy ones. Incredible. Yeah, I would have to say, maybe we missed the Concords. I think we are hitting it right at the time of the white grape, because there's not very many Concords here at all. A couple. But this is what we've been doing this year, is really working our calendar, and we are marking these things down that we're noticing, and working hard to keep dates, when we planted stuff, when we harvested, how much we harvested, because we really haven't done that in the past, and we're learning a lot. It's giving us a lot of feedback on, you know, things we did well, things we didn't do well. Overall, this year, 2020, although it was a very strange year, I think was the most productive our farm has been.
All fun canceled.
All fun canceled, so we had more time to focus on farm stuff. Alright, it's warm. I think we've picked this just about clean. Again, I want to hear, what do you think we should do? I mean, we can make jelly. I definitely think we will. But what else can we do with grapes? What can we show you how to make with grapes? So, I don't know, T-Rex, if you can zoom in to see how big these vines are underneath. Can you?
Hang on.
Oh, look, and there's two more clusters. Look at those vines. They're huge. All the way down at the bottom, and that's what you want. You want a nice, big, thick vine. And as we're pulling them, there's yet more grapes. What an amazing blessing.
We'll show you what we get at the end. Well, that's what we got from our, this was 3 plants? 4 plants? 3 plants. 3 plants. 2 whites and a Concord. I think that's quite the blessing. What do you think?
I think that's an amazing blessing. We've got our work cut out for us.
Yay!